boys and girls. I've got our same set of objects here for another game of I Spy. This time we're going to be listening to the sounds at the end of these words. And a few of my cards have us listen to sounds that come in the middle of these words. Let's get started. K. I spy with my little eye something that has the sound k at the end of the word. Book. Book has the sound k at the end. Book. I spy with my little eye something that has the sound O at the end. O. This letter L all by itself makes the sound O, but in this particular word, it's spelled with an E that just sits there silent on the end. O. Which one of these has the ending sound O? Water bottle. Water bottle has O at the end. Ooh. This one's coming in the middle of the word. I spy with my little eye something that has the sound in the middle. Book. Book. The letter O, when there's two O's together, it's able to make a few different sounds. In the word book, it makes the sound I spy with my little eye something that ends in the sound t. T. A word with the ending sound t. Wait. Wait has the ending sound t. Do you spy anything else that has the ending sound t? Hat also has the ending sound t. Hat. Wait. I spy with my little eye something that has the sound at the end. At the end. Guitar. Guitar ends with the sound guitar. Oops, dropped it. This one's a middle sound. I spy with my little eye something that has the sound in the middle. Hat. Hat has the sound in the middle of that word. At. Make up all of the sounds in the word hat. I spy with my little eye something that has the sound or in the middle. When the letter O and the letter R work together, they get to make the sound or. Or in the middle of one of these words. Horn has or in the middle. French horn has the or sound. Alrighty. One last one here. I spy with my little eye something that has the sound at the end. As the ending sound. French horn ends with the sound Very good, boys and girls. I hope you're doing well. I miss you.